If you're looking for the best online French courses, Coursera offers several excellent programs to help you build speaking, listening, reading, and grammar skills. Today, I'll show you the top 3 French courses worth taking. Before we begin, if you plan to take more than one course, check the discount link in the description. You can currently save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. At number 3 is Français Élémentaire A2 by Università di Napoli Federico II. This beginner-level course helps you move beyond the basics by expanding your vocabulary, improving reading and writing, and strengthening your overall French communication skills. It's the perfect next step after completing an A1 course. At number 2 is Étudier en France, French Intermediate Course B1 to B2 by École Polytechnique. With a 4.8-star rating and more than 5,200 reviews, this course focuses on grammar, vocabulary, oral comprehension, speaking, writing, and cultural understanding. It's ideal if you're preparing to study, work, or live in a French-speaking environment. My number 1 recommendation is Français Débutant A1 by Università di Napoli, Federico II. Designed specifically for complete beginners, this course introduces essential French vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, and everyday conversations. If you're starting from zero, it's one of the best places to begin your French learning journey on Coursera. These courses provide a structured learning path from beginner to intermediate level, helping you develop the confidence to communicate in real-world situations while building a solid foundation in the French language. If you plan to complete multiple language, business, or professional development courses, Coursera Plus is usually the smarter option. Buying courses separately can become expensive, while Coursera Plus gives you access to thousands of eligible courses, specializations, and unlimited certificates with one subscription. If you're ready to start learning French, check the discount link in the description and save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus.